All right.
Keep your hands up.
Hands up. There you go.
Circle.
Okay. Just work that left jab. Just work that left jab. Nice and easy. Sometimes you need to work it low. Work it low.
Slap down the first defense. That's the hand. That's the hand.
That's right. Keep those hands up. Keep those hands up.
Down.
That's right. Keep them up. Keep them up. Keep those hands up. Both of you. Nice shot. That's right. Nice and easy, you guys. Y'all doing good. Keep those hands up, Sita. Work your left jab, Sita. Sita, you need to lead with your left foot. There you go. Lead with that left foot, because that right hand is your power hand. All right.
Hello.
Good. Let's see a little zipper there. A little zipper there.
Keep your hands up.
That's right. Little zipper there. Little zipper. Work your zipper punch there. Tamper, work your zipper. All right. Nice left jabs now. Nice left jabs. Controlling the distance. All right. Good job. Good job.
Haymaker.
Keep those hands up. Keep those hands up. There you go. Way to keep on working. Working.
Slap down that first defensive attack.
Good job. Good work.
Very good. Oh.
Working.
Sam hit me.
Work the left. Work the
Haymaker.
left.
Keep it inside.
Left jab. Left jab. Left jab.
Slap
Left
down
jab.
that defense and then do it.
All right.
Right there.
Work that zipper, Tamara. Work that zipper.
Here you go.
Zipper.
You okay?
Yep. All right.
Good job. You alright? Well, Sam, the swarm. You okay?
Yeah.
Catching the breathing. Okay. You tired?
Yeah, that's
I'm okay.
Okay. All
I
right.
have a headache.
Oh, we'll take a little break there. We have 30 seconds left.
excellent, man. Excellent.
30 seconds left.
Sam.